ever created a budget with the best intentions, only to blow it a few days later? You are not alone. Most budgets fail. But the good news is, it's not your fault and you can fix it. Let's talk about why budgets break down, and more importantly, how to make one that actually works for you. Now here is our number one, why most budgets fail. There are three major reasons why most budgets fail. They are too rigid and life isn't predictable. And your budget shouldn't be either. Number two, they ignore emotional spending. Money isn't just math, it's emotions. It's not just math, but it's emotions. Number three, they don't reflect real habits. We often create ideal budgets, not realistic ones. And here is a quick tip. A budget that doesn't allow for life's surprises is one that is doomed to fail. Maybe I should repeat that. A budget that doesn't allow life's surprises is one that is doomed to fail. Most people forget that life is supposed to be surprised. Life also needs surprises. Now, number two is emotional spending, and this is the hidden trap. Let's be real. Sometimes we spend not because we need something. That's not the point. It's not that we spend because we need something. Sometimes we spend just because we've seen something shiny and you feel attracted. That's why in my, if you've been following, in my recent videos, I was talking about the 24-hour rule. Sometimes when you see something, take a minute. You may not even take a minute. Take a day or 24 hours or 12 hours. Most times you will even realize that you didn't need that particular thing. So sometimes we spend not because we need something, but because we are stressed, bored, or even lonely. This is emotional spending and it silently kills your budget. You know something silent? It is an emotional spending and it silently kills your budget. Without you even noticing, sometimes it does it silently, without your notice. Now here is a mini solution. Start tracking not just what you bought or what you buy, but even why you bought it. Track why you bought something. Was it boredom, stress, a reward? Awareness is one step to change. That's most definitely. Awareness is one step to change. Now here is our number three, how to fix your budget. How you can fix your budget. Here is how to build a budget that actually sticks. Here is how you can build it. Number one, start with your values. What really matters? Start with your values. What truly matters? What truly matters to you? What truly matters to you individually? Spend more intentionally. There is that word intentionally, like intending to do something. Spend more intentionally. Number two, use the 50-30-20 rule as a guide. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guide. I will be breaking it down in some series to come. You can use that rule, not a cage. Use that as a guide, not a cage. Number three, include guilty-free spending. Yeah, and seriously, include guilty-free spending. You need to include it. Budgeting should include joy. Don't forget to put joy or to include joy in your budget. Your budgeting should include joy. Because you're human, you deserve happiness. You need to be happy. Don't be stressed with work alone. I'm budgeting for work. I'm budgeting for my rent, for my whatever case it may be. But your joy should also be included in your budget. You should budget for your joy. You deserve to be happy. At the end of the day, you're the one who is struggling, who is working nails and toes to see that ends meet. So you should make a budget for your joy. Number 4 is review weekly, not monthly. A budget is a living document. A budget is a living document. When your budget is flexible, emotionally aware, and built around your life, it's more likely to succeed. That's most definitely. It's more likely to succeed. Which of these budgeting mistakes have you made before? Drop a comment. Let's help each other out. And if you want more smart money tips without the guilt, hit subscribe.